Pakistani food?
You got it right.
What is Pakistani food?
Probably very delicious.
Let's check it out. What is the most traditional and popular?
Lahori.
The
Lahori
first
and namak
one.
mandi. Lahori, I want to recommend you. Lahori in chicken is very good. Very
Okay,
good.
we'll get chicken lori, chicken biryani.
Chicken biryani, okay.
Yes. Like, what about the appetizers? Can you try beef kebab then?
Yeah, definitely.
Why did you record half of my face?
You can record half of my face. Sorry. Please, honey delight.
Baby's honey's delight?
Yeah.
So, what is the difference?
It's actually
when you
good.
drink from here and drink from here.
Well, I don't know. I think from here is a little bit tastier because it's citrusy. I don't know if I actually feel honey, but berries for sure. I think there's like pieces of berries inside, and it actually tastes like bubble tea, but without the bubbles.
Does it have alcohol?
No.
Oh,
Watermelon Margarita twist for you.
thank you so much.
Let me know if you want anything else.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Alcohol. It's a good non-alcoholic margarita. Okay. What? Look at this. This is beef kebab.
And how do they do it? Like, we're gonna dip it in here and in here. Sorry, I'm gonna make a mess. It's actually good. And this thing is spicy. No, you're okay.
It's completely different than Persian. I've tried Persian kebab and it's completely different.
It's not that rich of a flavor, I would say.
No, it's just different spices.
Different spices.
Yeah, and it's a bit spicy. Because Persian kebab is not spicy. It's spicy. This is what you need after eating spicy kebab.
Yeah, I know you did. I know you knew, right?
What is this?
That's
It's
naan.
a butter naan. Butter naan.
And there's a karahi.
Naan. I guess, I'm not sure how to eat it. So this is naan. And I take this. What is this? Lahori?
Lahori.
Okay. Lahori. I'm sorry if I said it wrong.
It's probably very hot.
It's very hot but so good.
Really?
It's very good actually.
Did you eat the chicken? You did not, right?
No, I didn't eat chicken.
Be
I
careful,
just
it's just so hot.
look at
You
this.
won't be able to eat it.
Oh, it's really it's a bit sour. It has coriander,
Yeah. And lemon.
tomato, I think too.
This is a biryani.
Oh, this is chicken biryani. That's
Chicken biryani with the yogurt.
Thank you. Thank you. So this is chicken biryani.
Biryani.
This is chicken lahori. Look.
No, I don't know how you do it. Like,
Probably need to dip it. Yeah.
deep it. It's actually so good.
Try chicken
Chicken?
because
Where's
it's chicken biryani.
Buddy chicken. I don't know if you're gonna dip it or not. Probably you do. The chicken is so tender.
Tender.
It's like so, when it comes off the bone easily, and it's like so soft.
It's good chicken.
Try it with the naan.
But when you dip this chicken in this sauce or whatever it calls, the combination is amazing. I love it. Biryani.
This is a thigh. Chicken
yeah.
thigh.
This one is more tender but less flavory. But this lahore has more flavors and spices maybe. Let me try the rice.
Just dip it into the yogurt. Yogurt gives it like savory flavor.
This rice reminds me of Persian rice.
Persian, yeah, it does.
Persian rice, and when you dip it with yogurt, it gives a little bit of soury flavor. By chicken, Lahori. My friends used to tell me like, Lana, try biryani, but I would say I like Lahori better. It has very rich flavor, more spices, and it's just absolutely delicious.
I don't think I've ever tried this before. What is this, chicken? Okay, I'm gonna get this chicken into the naan, and I'm gonna add some sauce, gravy. It's actually so good. It reminds me of shashlik.
What do you like better, Lahori or biryani? Lahori.
I think I like Lahori more.
Yeah, me too.
And biryani is a little bit dry for me, even if it goes with the soury yogurt. Yeah, but it's a little bit more dry.
We're gonna do a crime right now, but I wanna take this chicken and dip it in Lahori sauce.
It's gonna be very tasty crime. Let me try biryani.
Lahori is definitely my favorite. And I wanna take this rice too and put it in this. Guys, if you know the ingredients of Lahori, please let me know in the comments, because I want to make it home. Did you know that Pakistan and India used to be one country?
In August 1947, British India won its independence from the British and split into two new states that would rule themselves. The new countries were India and Pakistan. East Pakistan has since become Bangladesh.
The only thing is, this chicken has some bones, which is like,
It's okay.
it's okay.
Chicken has bones in general.
But thank you, Captain.
My mouth is so spicy. And I'm ready to kiss a Pakistani guy. So the total is $107 with tips, because in North America tips are like mandatory. It's not bad. Not bad. What do you think?
Yeah, it's good. I think it's decent price for.
Yeah, for Canada, probably for Pakistan it's expensive, but for Canada it's like, it's good. It's okay. Okay, we just came back to the car, and I can't talk as usual because I don't eat that much food usually.
We're
So what do you
dying.
think? What do you think about Pakistani food?
I think it's been delicious. Service was great. They came to us several times asking how was the food. The food was actually really good. Not super salty, just like
Not
a
super
little
spicy.
Not super spicy. Yeah. Yeah, and the cocktails were good too.
And you know what? It's different from Indian. I thought it's gonna be similar, but it was different, completely different.
Yeah.
I would say it's more similar to Persian food or maybe Middle Eastern food.
Yeah, kebabs were like.
Yeah, other than Indian. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in next video.
See you.